What's up, guys? I'm John Vaughn, and yes, I technically deleted all my Facebook friends. Even my wife, I deleted every single Facebook friend that I have.
Crazy.
And I'm not crazy, guys. I did it for a specific reason. I actually did it to help you. And if you keep watching this video, you're going to find out why. So let me tell you what I've done. I've actually, if you don't know me, my name's John Vaughn, and maybe we used to be friends and I deleted you, or you're hearing about me somehow in this crazy experiment and this crazy course that I'm actually doing. But I'm the founder and CEO of the software development firm Tier 5. We have 37 full-time software or full-time employees on staff. Not everyone's a software engineer. We got actually 29 full-time software engineers on staff, and then we've got 11 other support people supporting them. And I want you to know that I actually funded my entire company and created the very first community-owned and operating software engineering firm ever in the world, completely from Facebook, from my Facebook friends. I've made over $500,000, yes, $500,000 from Facebook. I'm doing over $50,000 a month in revenue, and like I said, funding my entire company. Like literally, I'm funding my entire company and making a profit completely from Facebook. And if you can't tell by now, I'm not a marketer. I'm just a software engineer. So I'm not a marketer. I don't have marketing experience. I don't have sales experience other than watching some videos from Russell Brunson in ClickFunnels. Other than that, I don't have any marketing experience. I don't have any sales experience. I don't have a formal education. My formal education is in software engineering, but yet I've been able to actually leverage the power of Facebook to make over $500,000, $500,000, and over $50,000 a month in recurring revenue. So I'm just going to show you real quick, just so you can actually see here, right inside my ClickFunnels account, and you can see I'm refreshing this page here, so you don't think that anything crazy is going on, and I'm just actually making stuff up. So just bear with me while that page actually refreshes, and you can see in the last 3 months. This is in the last 3 months, all coming from Facebook. You can see again on my Stripe account. I'm going to show you. This is real life data that I'm showing you. You can see just from yesterday, money coming from Facebook. This is yesterday coming. I don't even have any Facebook friends. I literally, if you look, I still have 0 Facebook friends. I don't have any Facebook friends at all. All right, and I'm still making money every day from what I've actually been doing on Facebook. If you look, you can see that I'm actually making, if you look in here, you can see I'm making over $50,000 a month. I'm making over $50,000 a month from what I've done on Facebook, and you're in luck. I've put together some high-level information, some of my, I don't want to say tactics or tricks or secrets, but just some of the things that I've actually been doing on a regular, consistent basis every single day that you probably aren't doing to leverage Facebook to actually make money, and like I said, make over $500,000 and over $50,000 a month and completely fund my company all from Facebook. And lucky for you, like I said, I put that information together and I'm giving it to you for free. All you gotta do is put your information right down there, and I'm gonna give you some of the biggest things that I've actually done to be able to go in and accomplish this all from Facebook for absolutely free. So go ahead and put your information down there if you think that you want to actually start using Facebook to make money. And if you're already making money, if you want to actually make even more money from what you're doing on Facebook, just go ahead and put your information down there, and I'll go ahead and send you out some of the information I've put together for you for free. Now, obviously, I've got some other information that I'm not going to give you for free because it's worth so much. Because like I said, what if I could show you step by step exactly what I did to make over $50,000 a month just from Facebook? Wouldn't that be worth something to you? So I'm not going to give you every single secret that I have, but I'm going to give you for free enough information that you can go in and actually implement, and you can go in and actually take action on to start seeing more results and start making more money from Facebook. So just put your information right down there if that's interesting to you.